Are you wondering why is your smoke detector chirping, and also what to do, and also how to make it stop chirping? If it's chirping, there is either of two problems. First, so you see, yep, this thing. So either the battery has expired on your smoke detector, or also the detector itself has expired. So again, these have even like expiration dates, usually around 10 years from their manufacturing date and activation. So first, if it's battery, so you would simply take out the battery and put in a new battery. Also, before you actually put in the new battery, you have to actually properly discharge it. Otherwise, it might still keep chirping. So the way we do it, you remove the old battery and then press a button basically on your smoke detector for maybe like 30 seconds and keep holding the test button. Essentially, the smoke detectors have got internal capacitors that still actually hold tiny bit of energy inside, and we want to discharge it and reset. Otherwise, again, even if you insert a brand new battery, it might still chirp. So again, yeah. Also, on some models, if you insert the battery, even if you reset, it still will actually chirp for 10 minutes. For example, this Kide once, if you have, it literally says on the back, it will chirp for maybe 10 minutes even after you install a new battery. So simply leave it be, and after 10 minutes it should go away essentially and be okay. And then again, also if basically there is a expiration date printed on your like smoke detector, so you see for example over here or on some of them on the back maybe. So essentially some of these detectors have kind of sensor inside that can kind of understand if it has expired, and it's simply asking you to replace the like detector. So again, in that case, really there's nothing that can be done. You simply need to get a new detector and throw this essentially away. So unfortunately. So yeah, in that case, simply remove your detector, remove the battery, and simply install the new one. Okay, good luck.